I haven't done a Rubik's Cube in a long time. I used to be able to do it consistently at under 2 minutes. That's what I'm going to aim for now. I have a timer on the screen. I'm going to decide which side I want to start with. I'll put the Rubik's Cube down and I'll start the timer. Don't really have any good sides to start with. Oh, I'm going to start with blue. I'm going to start with the blue side. And go. So, basically 2 minutes on the mark, actually. It's 2:01. Took me a second to get to the milestone, so we'll call it 2 minutes on the mark. I haven't done it in about a month, and slowed down a little bit. Maybe I should practice a little bit more.